Hello unique individuals, it's Ari and Tony back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Vaseline Cocoa Shimmer Jelly Stick. And I got this from Ulta. I've never tried it before. I'm familiar with Vaseline. I use the tub of Vaseline all of the time, but I think I've heard of the Jelly Stick before, but I didn't know they had a shimmery one, and we're going to try it on camera together. So I feel like what's trendy right now is looking very shimmery, especially since it is summer now. Very shimmery, very oily, very kind of, kind of like that, just that summery vibe. I don't know, I feel like I've been seeing women, that being one of the things that women are embracing now, is like a shimmer looking kind of like dewy all over the body, and I wanted to try this shimmery stick. I got this for, I believe it says for $8.99, so that's honestly not too bad. Like I said before, I don't know if I've said, I probably have, but I've never used this. So this is gonna be first impressions together. So I'm going to open it, and right away, this is what you are going to see is kind of like this. I don't know if this is gonna pick up on camera that well, but it's kind of like a gold shimmer situation as soon as you open it on the top. And then this is the lid, obviously, and then this is the bottom of the tube. You can like twist it at the bottom to be able to push the product up, but we don't need to really do that. I'll push it up a little bit. And then I think to be able to try it, I'm going to try it on my wrist first, as you can see here, and then we're just gonna swipe. And then I'm gonna hold it up to the camera. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like I said, it's very like subtle. I'm gonna put it on my chest to see if it picks up, but just due to the lighting and everything, it smells really good too, by the way. I'm rubbing it on my chest, just like right here, so I can see if I see it a little bit more, but it is very subtle. It's not bad. I will continue to use this, and I feel like this would be a product that you probably would have to layer maybe on other products. And I feel like it's supposed to make you glow, but it's not supposed to be like super, I guess you are, I am glowing. I don't know if you can see it. I guess I am kind of glowing, or like looking kind of like gold shiny in a way, but I feel like this would have to be something that you would have to kind of experiment with and put all over your body to see the difference. And I'm not doing that in this video because I feel like that's kind of doing too much. Would I buy this again? I don't know. Am I going to use the rest of this? Absolutely, because I didn't pay $8.99 for no reason. And I want to see what it looks like if I were to wear like a dress or like a two-piece set or something like that, where I'm showing more skin, to where I can kind of not only put my lotion on, but kind of lather this on top to see if I notice like that glowy, dewy situation. But I'm trying to see if there's anything. This is body luminizer. It says for dewy, radiant skin. So I mean, what this is supposed to accomplish is more like it says on here, a dewy, radiant look, to the point where it looks like you kind of like are fresh out on the beach. But you can accomplish this look not going to the beach and kind of soaking in the sun, but you can accomplish it by putting it on at home and going out and looking like you kind of like have like that dewy summer look, if you know what I'm talking about, that dewy summer look finish. So this is what I recommend this, absolutely, if you do want to try this. But like I said, I will come back maybe and tell you guys how I like this if I try to do it all over my body, because I want to see what this is going to look like, and I'm very curious. And I like how this is multi-use, like it says in the back, and it also says you can travel with it. What else does it say in the instructions? It says it's a twist up product applied directly to skin for instant hydration and dewy glow. So that is all I have to say about this. I hope that you guys have liked this video. I hope this has helped, because honestly, the internet, I don't fall for every trend, but there are some things that I do come across that I do want to try, because I am a beauty person and I do like makeup. I do like trying products that are moisturizing for the skin, moisturizing for the face, just trying to do anything I can to be able to elevate myself when it comes to self-care. So I hope that you guys have liked and appreciated this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.